Hello everyone, this is the lesson for the use of be, being or being. Okay, let's start the lesson. Be is the base form of the verb. Use be after to. Here are some verbs in English that are often followed by to. Look at these example sentence. Hope. I hope to be as wise as my father someday. Learned. She is learning to be less concerned about other people's opinions. Need. You need to be ready to leave by 6:30. Planned. We are planning to be in London from the 18th to the 23rd. Pretend. My kids are pretending to be superheroes. Promise. Promise. I promise to be on time for the meeting. Try. He said he tried to be more patient. Want. I want to be fluent in English. Would like. I'd like to be a pilot. It seems like an exciting job. Also use be after should, could, and walk. Example, you should be ashamed. This could be interesting. I will be happy to help. Being is the continuous form of the verb. You can use it after am is or was were. These are the example sentences. We can access the internet right now because the network is being restarted. When I said that dress doesn't look new, I was just being honest. You can also use being after verbs that are followed by the ing form. Avoid, enjoy, constant, don't mind, look forward to, practice, spend time, stop. Look at these example sentences. Stop being lazy and help me wash the dishes. I enjoy being in a position of leadership. She can't stand being lied to. Always use being, not be or being after preposition. Example, I was in the hospital for a month after being in a car accident. That is the problem with being late all the time. People stop trusting you. The best part of being as a teacher is interacting with the students. She got an award for being the best salesperson in the company. Being is the past participle. Use it after the verbs have, has, present perfect, and had, past perfect. Look at these examples. I've been busy lately. Have you ever been to London? My car has been stolen. By the time he showed up, we'd been waiting for an hour. Use been after could have, should have, and would have. Look at this example. You should have been on time for your job interview. The presentation would have been better if we'd done more preparation. He could have done injury badly when he fell off his motorcycle. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. See you in next videos.